Have you ever tried changing the aspect ratio on Nano Banana in Google Gemini? We all know it doesn't really let us adjust it freely. For example, when I tried to turn my portrait photo into landscape, the results still came out in the same resolution, no change at all. But don't worry, I've got a way to actually change the resolution to whatever you want on Nano Banana. Here's how it goes. First, head over to the Nano Banana aspect ratio change website. I've put the link down in the description. Once you're there, you can simply pick the aspect ratio you want, or even set your own with the custom size option. After that, just tap Generate, and the website will instantly give you a prompt along with a transparent image that matches the resolution you selected. When that's ready, download the transparent image and copy the prompt. Now it's time to open up Google Gemini and go into the Nano Banana feature. Start by uploading your own photo, and then upload the transparent image you just downloaded. Make sure to do it one at a time, not together. Finally, paste the prompt, hit send, and that's it. Google Gemini will generate your photo in the exact resolution you want. Super easy, right? Now you can finally get Nano Banana images in the exact aspect ratio you need. So if you've been stuck with the same size over and over, try this trick out. And hey, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if it works for you, and share it with a friend who loves playing around with Nano Banana too.